See, let us go with the problem number 23. Right here, the HCF and LCM of two numbers x and y are respectively 11 and 7632. If x plus y is equal to 583, then 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to what? Right, let us check out here. So we know that, see, HCF, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Right, product of two numbers, right? Right. So HCF and LCM, they have given HCF is equal to 11 into LCM is equal to 7632. That is equal to, let the two numbers be x and y. Right, x into y. Right. Now multiply it here. Right. So 7632 into 11, that is going to be 2. Right, 5. Right, 9. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry and 8. So xy is equal to this. Right. Now, so they have given x plus y. So now let us check out here. We need to find out, right, 1 by x plus 1 by y. Right. So take a LCM for this. This will become xy, that divided by x cancel, that will become y plus y cancel and x. So this is nothing but x plus y by xy. Right. Now we know that they have given already x plus y is equal to 583. Right. Substitute now, that is going to be 583 and xy we are able to find out. Rather is write down this only, 11 into 7632. Because division will become easy. Right. Let us check out here. 11 5s are, right, 11 1s are, 11 5s are, right, 55, 3 remainder 3s are. So this will become 53 by 7632. Now check out here. So divide 7632 by 53. 7632 by 53. 53 1s are 53. Right, 6 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3, right, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 3 I will bring down. Now 53 4s are, so 54s are is 200, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry, so 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is 21, right, 3 minus 2 is 1, right, so 3 minus 1 is 2, right, 0, then again bring down 2. So again 53 4s are 212. So this will become 0. So the answer is going to be 1 by 144. Right, option B is the right one.